Hello, how are you? My name is Diego Valderrama, presenting a video activity according to the activity number 1. Well, the first thing in detail I love about my experience in Spain. Last December, I had home of my West experience. I took a trip to the country of Spain for those months. I visited my places like Toledo, Madrid, Segovia, Alcalá, and Monter. It was totally spectacular. In Spanish is winter season on December and therefore very cold, something up to 15 degrees well observed. Even with cold came the place and enjoyed with people of to please. It was very amazing and then I was in appetite of the cold. We went to their parks and especially to sites to Christmas decoration and with my brother from time to time we escaped to an restaurant without Colombia coffee. It was great from my community. In Spain's holiday are at another level. Continue. uh, Very important things you much to talk make attract and so calculate it cause I showed ser in internet and citadel and well with and some visit museum place and meet that important while your music not done. You should not as to strange peoples. You cannot do illegal anything. Your children worrying your credit card. Come and enjoy the best landscape of Spain. We are as invited to enjoy Trump. You should visit Madrid because there are some place you can go at Bernabeu Stadium because it is built a very full place. You should go Las Ventas, Blue Space because it is spectacular. You should go the Retreat Park because it is el Mount Park of Spain. Spain is excellent. Excellent country to visit because you can find near and all thing like place and community. You should remember that living with your passport and when it start parking to trips. Command your beds landscape of Spain. We are invited soul in your train. What's our people? Though in place you visit like vacation. People also should visit El Fuentes, Cibeles, Le Fuentes Cibeles, because it is on Watson lands Real Madrid celebrating victories. In Spain, your shows and Puerta de Alcalá, because it is beautiful. Very many plus shopping. What's your people doing? Please plan your visit like vacation. People should not live with a subway car. People should not walk alone because they can lose your result. Thank you very much.